Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're opening this Cinnamoroll Blind box. Blind bag. This is so cute. It even has Cinnamoroll, a plate, lettuce, and omelette. It's cute. Maybe let's open it up. Oh, it's so cute. Cinnamoroll Blind bag. Wait, I got Cinnamoroll lettuce, omelette, and a plate with a heart. Maybe you got Cinnamoroll. I got Cinnamoroll. It's so cute. Let's make it. Wait, I got something here. It's so cute. It's Cinnamoroll. I like Cinnamoroll from Cinnamoroll. So I have this little hot dog here, so crispy. And we have a little bit of like hard plate. And where's the lettuce? Oh, I found it. But, yeah. Come on, let's go. First, by starting this pillow. It used to be a pillow. Now let's put Cinnamoroll in. What's so cute about that? He's even so squishy. Now let's take him a little nap. Now let's kill a bit and take the rest of these and put it to Cinnamoroll's head. Now we got Cinnamoroll and a omelette bed. So squishy. Oh yeah, I got even a recipe in here. So cute. This is so wonderful. Cinnamoroll blind bag. This is finally cute. Come on, see you later guys.